Get ready to explore the insane tech innovations that will change your future. From the sleek Google Pixel Watch to the groundbreaking NVIDIA GeForce RTX, these gadgets redefine what's possible. Check out the power of the AMD Ryzen and new Lenovo ThinkBook. This video showcases the best in AI, gaming, and robotics. The future starts here. Don't miss it. Keep ahead using the Google Pixel Watch 2. Combining modern technologies with elegant design, it provides exact health tracking, stress control, and a battery good for all-day use. Perfectly linked with Google Assistant, it enables you check notifications, operate your smart devices, and get on-demand directions. Its vivid display and strong construction make it ideal for regular use. Customizable bands guarantee a unique touch. This clever and fashionable smartwatch will improve your way of living. The AMD Ryzen 8040 series raises the benchmark for CPUs. Designed for heavy labor, it offers innovative energy economy, along with lightning-fast speed. While powerful architecture improves gaming, streaming, and creative activities, artificial intelligence-driven optimizations guarantee flawless multitasking. Perfect for both experts and enthusiasts, it redefines computing's possibilities. The Ryzen 8040 series is primed to drive the future of tech innovation and raise your performance to unprecedented levels with its exceptional speed and heat management. The DJI Mini 4 Pro will let you soar your aerial imagination. Compact yet mighty, it has 4K HDR video, sophisticated obstacle avoidance, and a longer flight time for seamless cinematic filming. Even for novices, it's travel-friendly and simple to operate. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone combines accuracy and adaptability in one small package, whether capturing dramatic action images or stunning scenery. With the Mini 4 Pro, your perfect creative friend in the heavens, improve your work. With its ultra-slim size and potent performance, the Lenovo ThinkBook 13X Gen 4 SPE redefines production. Perfect for remote work and teamwork, it has bright display, AI-enhanced noise reduction, and modern Intel processors. While all-day battery life guarantees you stay connected, the lightweight aluminum chassis makes carrying simple. Protection of your data is provided by security elements like AI-powered privacy guards and fingerprint scanners. Whether working from the office or on the road, the ThinkBook 13X will help you succeed. The Google Pixel 8 Pro pushes smartphone creativity forward. Under difficult circumstances, its AI-powered camera system records breathtaking images and films. Driven by Tensor G3 chip from Google, it offers quick performance and user-friendly interface. The Pixel 8 Pro has a clean look, vivid display, and improved security measures with Titan M2 chip and Face Unlock. This flagship smartphone provides a flawless, premium experience that distinguishes itself whether for daily chores, creativity, or productivity. The ASUS ROG Ally Z1 Extreme will help you to step up your gaming. Combining a strong AMD Ryzen APU with a high refresh rate display for seamless gameplay, while Xbox Game Pass compatibility provides a universe of gaming choices, its ergonomic design guarantees comfort during long sessions. Perfect for players on the go, the Ally Z1 Extreme boasts configurable controls, immersive sound, and great portability. With this modern mobile gaming powerhouse, carry your preferred titles wherever. Use the Anker Solix Home Energy Hub to responsibly power your house. This clever solar energy system provides real-time monitoring via an easy-to-use app, efficiently saves energy, and blends effortlessly with your house. Its modular construction fits your requirements, guaranteeing constant power supply and lower energy costs. Reliable and environmentally friendly for daily use, as well as for emergencies, is the Solix Hub. With this creative approach, convert to smart living and start toward energy independence. Rule the digital field with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090. Built for players and creators, it has next-generation ray tracing, artificial intelligence-driven enhancements, and blazing fast speed. Whether building complex 3D environments or running DJI games at maximum settings, this GPU offers unmatched capability. Upgrade to the RTX 5090 and challenge gaming and creative limits using this best graphics card. Discover the shining genius of the Sony A8L OLED TV. Its cognitive processor, XR, vividly colors, deep blacks, and unparalleled clarity help visuals come to alive. Acoustic surface audio guarantees immersive sound, while Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos craft a cinematic experience. The A8L provides perfect performance with low input latency and fluid movements whether streaming or gaming. Its elegant design accentuates any area, so it is the best improvement for your house entertainment. Your travel recovery buddy is the Hyperice Vyper, perfect for reducing muscle aches, boosting flexibility, and enhancing circulation. It's simple to use at home, at the gym, or on the road with 3 strong vibration settings and a lightweight design. Designed for sportsmen and fitness fanatics, the Vyper guarantees improved performance and faster recovery. Your must-have tool for maintaining muscles in perfect shape, wherever, at any time, is compact but powerful. Which technology in this video do you like the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.